Hello everyone. In the world of MBS, because there is competition, we cannot tell the decisions of our opponents, and it's hard to predict the potential demand of the markets. And because of that, we find some companies, like what is shown in the diagram, that there is a big gap between the potential demand and the sales volume. Although it is hard to predict the potential demand, one of the area we can control is the sales volume. The other is the potential demand that reflects the company's decision on the unit price, the sales, and the research and development investment. That means we can somehow narrow down the big gap between the sales volume and the potential demand by providing more products for the demand in the potential market and find a balance in between. Now, the first thing we will look at is there a chance that we can increase the production volume? Let's review the rules. Generally speaking, the production capacity that we can see in this chart is about 1.5 times of this number. If we have two shifts, then the capacity will become 3 times of this number. So going back to our question on the increasing of the production, we will have more products to be sold for the potential demand in the markets. However, if there is a limitation to the volume of production that we have, we will have to somehow lower the potential demand in the markets to match the production of the products that we can sell. We talked about a moment ago that there are 3 factors to affect the potential demand of markets, and they are the unit price, the sales, and the research and development investment. Here are some ways to control the potential demand. Number 1 is to increase the unit price. By increasing the unit price, the demand will be reduced. Number 2 is to reduce the sales promotion and the sales related expenses. And there are 2 effects on the reduction of sales expenses. One is the reduction of the product demand, and the other is the reduction of corporate expenses. And that will help out with the final figures on the revenue. Why are we not applying the change in unit price and the sales tactic? We talk about both of these factors will change the potential demand of the markets. In the case that we apply both factors, it may result in the big reduction of potential demand. In return of the reduction of potential demand, it may lead to there is no demand at all, and we cannot sell our products. And this is definitely not something we want to see. So the recommendation to influence the potential demand, we can start with factor 1 or factor 2 first and determine if we need to take more action. Thank you.